Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I will walk you through how to use Google AI Studio step by step even if you are a complete beginner. So Google AI Studio is a free online tool that lets you try out Gemini AI, Google's advanced language model, right in your browser. So without any further ado, let's dive in and learn how to use it. So first of all, we are going to make a step by step for you. So in the step 1 we will discuss about what is Google AI Studio. So Google AI Studio is a web based platform that lets you interact with Google Gemini AI models, including Gemini 1.5 Pro. So you can use it for generate text, then ask questions, they will provide you the answer. Then you can build chat prompts. Also, you are allowed to test AI ideas. Think of it like a playground for experimenting with Gemini AI. It is completely free and requires only a Google account to get it started. So how you can access Google AI Studio, we are discuss about step 2. Like, here's how to access it. First of all, you just need to be search it aistudio.google.com. Then once you get it, then there you will get this kind of an interface. Let me give you the example. Just search it, and eventually here you can see we have this sign in Google Studio. You just need to be click over here. Once you click over here, then they will ask you for their Gmail account. If you have a Gmail account, then you will redirect to this panel and the interface will be something like this. Then you will land on the dashboard with example prompts and save chat. This is your workspace where you can create and save different AI projects. So let's go ahead and talk about creating your first prompt, how you can create your first prompt. So it is really simple and easy. Let's try your first AI interaction. That will be, you just need to be click on chat. Once you click on chat, then here you will get a interface like this, chat prompt, and here you can see we have the example over here. Welcome to AI Studio. Just click on this and you will see two options: system instruction, user management. So here you will find out this option. In that panel, in this search panel, you just need to be search something like example prompt, write a 3-day meal plan for vegetarians under 2000 calories per day. So as you can see, this is our question. Write a 3-day meal plan for vegetarians under 2000 calories per day, and let's click on run prompt, and this way you can see you can get and generating answer over here. So you need to be wait a while to get this answer in this panel. So here you can check this out, the interface, it is ongoing, it is working. So once you're done, then here you will find out your eventual result, day 1, then day 2, and this is day 3, and approximately this is really great if you are doing finding some result or doing your meal plan. So I hope you understand how easy the process is. So now let's talk about your understanding models, like the AI models. Like Gemini AI Studio give you access to different models. If you go over here, run setting option, here you can see this is the model I am using. If I click on, then here you will get further more models, like learn more about Gemini model. Just click over here. Now here you can see Gemini. I have Gemini 1.5 Flash. It is fast and lightweight, like great for speed. Then you can use Gemini 1.5. Here you can see we have couple of options: Gemini 2.5 Pro, 2.5 Flash, then 2.0 Flash. So then you can use Gemini 1.5 Pro, more powerful, better at reasoning, default for most user, but I am using 2.5 by default. Right, it is updated version. Here you can see Gemini 2.5, our most powerful thinking model with maximum response accuracy and state of the art performance. Then you can see 2.5 plus, that is our best model in terms of price performance, offering well-rounded capabilities. Then also we have 2.0. Here let's go and let's talk about our newest multi-modal model with next generation feature and improved capabilities. Now it's totally up to you which model you want to use. You are allowed to use it, like they give you the options to use it, so you can utilize it on your plan. As you can see, if I click 2.0, here you can see image generation. You can generate your image with Gemini 2.0. Let's go Gemini 2.5. you are allowed to use it also, like you have totally the access. So actually let's talk about multi-turn conversation in the step 5. Like want to keep chatting with AI, like click continue conversation. Here you can see we have these options, expand to view more. Here you will get options like here, like if you want to start multiple conversation, you just need to be hover it, then click on good response, then give me in search prompt. You just need to be write continue conversation. They will give you the answer again. Just click on run, and here you can see they are thinking, clarifying the intent, and they will start new conversation with you. Like you can ask follow-up question without losing context. This is great for brainstorming idea, then researching topics, then step-by-step guide. The chat remember your previous message, just like ChatGPT or Gemini in Workspace. So here you can say, okay, great, what would you like to discuss to refine about the meal plan, for example, swap out specific meals and ingredients, adjust for specific dietary needs, or many more. Here we have. So let's talk about the step 6, that is saving and organize prompt. So AI Studio automatically save your project. To organize them, go to the left menu. In the left menu you have the options called save project. Just click over here, and here you will get the options in this panel. Here you can see no changes saved. So just click on chat stream and click on yes. In the history panel you will get the options to get your file. So when you're done, here you will have save to drive, or you can share the prompt, or also we have 3 dot button. If you click it, you can delete prompt and make a copy over here. So you can copy from this one, system instruction. Just click over here, you will get system instruction, so you can rename them through easy access. You have the access like save to drive. So our drive is not connected, so I'm not able to save it. Next, let's talk about the advanced feature. It is so optional, like advanced feature can add JSON inputs and output, use system instruction to guide tone and personality, and also help you to export result to share project links. If you are a developer, you can copy the prompt format and use in the Gemini API. Even beginners can benefit from tweaking the tone of response, style, and using simple system prompt like you are a helpful marketing assistant, always reply in a friendly tone. So wrap up the video here. Let's give you some quick recap what we did in this video. First of all, we go to aistudio.google.com, then create a new prompts and run them instantly. Use multi-turn chat for deeper research, then choose between Gemini 1 like 2.0 Pro and Flash, and save and organize your project easily. Let's give you a bonus tip, that is use specific prompts for better answer. Explore different models for speed and depth. Also keep experimenting to unlock Gemini's full power. If this helps, give a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below that you will use Gemini AI Studio for. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.